Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to remove Shadowban on Reddit. Let's start this video. Open your Reddit application. So once you face Shadowban, you have to click on the avatar on the top right corner. Now click on settings at the bottom. Then you have to scroll all the way down. Now here you have to click on report an issue. So once you click on this, this page will open up. Now click on this drop down menu and this page will open up and you just have to click on account help. And here you have to address your issue to the Reddit team. Over here you have to write down your email address, and then in this what type of account issues are occurring, just select account status. Now here you can select both of these options, both the last options. My account has been locked and I don't have an access to my email address, or my account has been wrongly suspended. Then after this you have to write down your Reddit username. So you can click on yes I can log in. Then you have to select the subject of inquiry, and over here you have to type Shadowban issue, and here you have to write down the details of your Shadowban. And if I have a screenshot of about Shadowban, then you can also paste it over here, then click on submit. So it will be sent to the Reddit support team and they will address the issue and will get back to you. So this is how it works. I hope this video will help you. If so, please consider in liking this video and subscribe this channel.